The state of affairs in the diesel industry is there is a shortage of technicians.
We've been talking about this for years. There's going to be a shortage in trades. There's going to be a shortage in technicians, and it's a real issue.
So we're trying to get people that are interested to stay with it, and then make sure that they have a career that follows what their perceptions are and what they think they can achieve.
If you need technicians, you can't do this online. We're proud to say that we are hands-on and in our shops with the most amazing teachers and the best technical education experience in the industry. Industry has a great opportunity to be more active with recruiting here at WyoTech. We have over 71 employers right here on our shop floors.
I think it's one of the best career fairs around.
So the WyoTech thing's been good for us in a handful of ways. I feel like our partnership is going to continue to grow.
Our exponential growth has been amazing. It's something that everybody wants to be a part of. We want our industry partners to come to WyoTech, experience what we have going on here in our culture, learn of the opportunities, and then develop that as we move forward. For example, Penske. Penske came to us and decided that they wanted to work with our advanced diesel program. And now that when they conduct their interviews, they can do it in the Penske room here at WyoTech. They have, just in this last year, recruited 10 students from WyoTech. That's a remarkable result to be able to say that you recruited 10 students in 1 year. What a difference that makes on their shop floor. My invitation to you is to form a partnership with us today. Contact us through WyoTech.edu/industry. We look forward to hearing from you soon.